Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is ratio analysis, or you can say analysis and interpretation. So this is very important chapter in accounting. So here is a question. We'll solve it right now. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. Revenue is $1,000. Opening inventory is $60. Closing inventory $40. Gross profit margin is given 40%, and the net profit margin is given 15%. Gross profit, cost of sales, purchases, profit for the year, and expenses. Okay, we need to calculate these 5 items from this information. Okay. So there are some formulas for ratio analysis, and I have so many videos on this chapter. Okay, I'll link to the playlist of this chapter in the I button. Okay, you can watch it. Okay, so let us do first one. What is given here? Gross profit. So how to calculate here gross profit? Gross profit margin is given here 40%. Yeah. So gross profit equal to gross profit, number one here, gross profit equal to what? Sales revenue multiplied by margin. Yeah, so margin, gross profit, margin. Okay, so what is our revenue here? It is $1,000. Okay, so right here $1,000 and multiply by 40%. Okay, if you calculate, your answer is $400. It's very easy when you know. Okay, so that is why you need to practice the formula. Okay, the way to calculate these ratios. Okay, what is next? Number 2 is here, cost of sales. So right here, number 2, cost of sales. Now, how to calculate cost of sales? In the question already we have sales revenue. Yeah, so we calculated here gross profit. Yeah, so now if we subtract revenue, so if we subtract our gross profit from revenue, we can calculate our cost of sales. Okay, so cost of sales is also called cost of goods sold. Okay, don't be confused, these are same term. Okay, so what is the revenue here? Revenue here $1,000 right here, minus what is the gross profit? It is given here already, we calculated $400. So right here $400. Okay, so if you minus, your answer is here $600. Okay, so very easy. Yeah, you need to practice more. Okay, so what is next? Yeah, we have to calculate now purchase. So think how to calculate purchase from this information given. So purchase will be here, number 3, purchase. Okay, purchase equal to, so we calculated cost of sales, yeah, which is $600. so let us write here cost of sales minus opening inventory plus closing inventory. Okay, what is, yeah, closing inventory is given here, the 14th 30 November 2040. Okay, so right here plus closing inventory. Okay, so now let us write the value here. We have cost of sales here $600. So right here $600 minus opening inventory. What is it? It is $60 So right here $60. Then you add what? Closing inventory, which is $40. Okay, so add $40 here. Now if you calculate, your answer is $580. Okay, so it is very easy, but you need to remember that purchase equal to cost of sales minus opening inventory plus closing inventory. Okay, so what is next? Number 4 is profit for the year. Okay, so how to calculate profit for the year? So a net profit margin is given here, okay, 15%. By the way, profit for the year and net profit, these two terms are same, okay, never be confused. So we can write here profit for the year, profit for, this is number 4, yeah. So profit for the year equal to revenue times what? Net profit margin, NP margin. Okay, so what is the revenue here? Revenue is given $1,000 here, so write $1,000 and multiply by 15%. So if you calculate, answer is $150. Okay, this is profit for the year. Easy, yeah? Okay, so last one is expense. We need to calculate expense here. So how to calculate expense? We have here gross profit, yeah. So we have here our profit for the year. If we subtract our profit for the year from gross profit, we can calculate our expense. So let us write here expense equal to number 5, expense equal to gross profit minus net profit. Okay, net profit means profit for the year, which is $150. So what is the gross profit? Gross profit was $400. Okay, we got $400, yeah. Now net profit is 150, so write 150. If we subtract, our answer is $250 is the expense. Okay, so it is very easy, but you have to know how to calculate. So this is how you need to calculate these items when information is given in the question this way. So already I told you that this is the past paper questions, and who knows, you may get this type of questions again in your exam. So learn how to do it, how to calculate this type of informations. Okay, and I have so many videos on my channel you can check out to learn accounting, to understand accounting. So this is all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed, you understood. Please subscribe my channel for more new videos, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.